Hello students, in previous class we learned about array of object. Let's learn about objects as function arguments in today's class. A function can receive object as a function argument. This is similar to any other object data type being sent as function argument. The function object can be passed to a function in two ways. First one is copy entire of object passed to function known as pass by value method. Second one, the address of object is transferred to the function known as pass by reference. Okay, here we follow two methods. One is pass by value method and the one is pass by reference method. In this section, first we'll learn pass by value method. In pass by value, copy of entire object is passed to function. Then the function creates its own object and uses it. Any changes made to the object inside the function do not affect the original value. Yes, we'll see a program to show objects as arguments to function using pass by value. Here we have to include three header files: iostream.h, conio.h, iomanic.h to connect the input-output devices to the program and execute the consolidated input statement and consolidated output statement and manipulates the manipulators which are declared or defined in the program. The next, the class is created using the class keyword. The currency class is created, and here the table the private data members rupee, paise, total with integer data type. In public method, we declare two member functions, get data and display. Get data function has two arguments r and p declared with data type integer. And these two member functions are defined outside the class using scope resolution operator. And in main function using object, here the two member functions are called. Yes, we'll trace out the program how each statement is executed one by one. The always program execution starts from main function, and here first it creates a class currency and it reserves a memory space for data members rupee, paise, total, and these variables are declared with the data type integer, and these variables are considered as private access because data members declared as private here not mention any access specifier. Default it takes private access. And in public method, two member functions are declared with two arguments. Go to the main function, and here it creates one object using the class currency. C is object is created using class currency. Using that class we are calling two member functions. One is get data and the one is display. The first member function is called using object c dot get data and passing two values 5 and 75. This is called as pass by value method. And 5 value is treated as r, 75 value is treated as p. Yes. Then the control statement connects to the get data function where it is defined inside in the class. And here the r argument is assigned to the variable rupee. Means here the r value is passed as 5. Then 5 is assigned to the variable rupee. Then p value is assigned to the variable paise. The 75 value is passed as p value. Then currency value, then R value is 5 into 100 plus P value is 75. Then 5 to 100 is 500 plus 75. Total it creates 575 value, and this value is stored in the variable total. Then this get data member function ends here. Again the control statement goes back to the main function and executes the next statement. The next statement is C dot display. Then the another member function, that is display function, is called using the object C. Then the control statement directly connect to the display member function where it is defined in the program. Yes, in display function we have two consolidated output statement. The first, it execute the cout, that is consolidated output statement is rupee, rupees and paises. Rupee is 5 rupees and paise value is 75 paise. And end here it functions or it allows the control statement to go to the next line in the output statement. Yes, the next output statement is the converted value. The converted value, which value we are displaying? Total. Then the total calculated value is 575. Then the converted currency value, it outputted as converted value 575 paise. Yes, then it ends the display function and again goes to the main function, and the next statement is return 0. Then it returns the value back to the main function and ends the program. This is a final output of this program, and here we use the pass by value method. Means in member function we declare two arguments R and P, and we passed two values 5 and 75. This is called as pass by value method. Nothing but just here we copy of entire object value to the function. It is considered as a objects as function argument in the program. Second method is pass by reference. In pass by reference, the address of the object is transferred to the function. Then the function directly works on the original object used in function call. Then any changes made to the object will inside the function will reflect the original object value. Yes, this means because of the function references only address of the object, therefore it reflects to the original value in the program. Yes, we see a program to show objects as arguments to function. First we have to include three header files: iostream.h, conio.h, iomanual.h, to include input output devices to the program and execute consolidated input statement and consolidated output statement and manipulate the manipulators which are used in the program. Then it creates a class RUP using keyword class, and N1 and N2 are the target access data members and declared with integer data type, and public section 3 member functions are defined: get, print and multi, and these three data members are defined inside the class. Therefore here no scope resolution operator is used because these member functions are defined inside the class. And in main function, three objects are created using class RUP object. Using these objects, we are calling member functions. R1 dot get, R2 dot get, R3 dot multi, and here we are passing address of object R1 and R2, R3 dot print. Okay, we'll see a program how it executes statement one by one. First, it creates class RUP and makes data number N1 and N2 and reserves the memory location for that, and creates the member functions, get function and print function and multi function, and then it goes to the main function where it creates three objects R1, R2, R3 using class RUP. The next statement is CLR function which clears the output screen. The next statement R1 dot get. When this function is called and control statement directly goes to the get member function where it is defined in the class and executes the executable statements. The cout enter first number. First it executes statement enter first number. Suppose you enter the first number 10, then N1 value as given as 10. Next, second statement, enter second number. Enter second number. Suppose we enter the second number 20, then N2 value is given as 20. Next, it ends the get member function and again goes to the main function. The next callable member function is again using second object, that is R2. Again the get member function is called R2 dot get. Again it goes to the get function and following statements are executed. Again second time it reads the N1 and N2 value. Enter first number. Now suppose given the number 30, then the second time N1 value is given as 30. The next again enter second number. Suppose we enter the value 10, then second time N2 value is given as 10. The next, the get function ends here and come back to the main function. The next function is called using the third object R3 dot multi R1 comma R2. Here R1 and R2 are the references object. Here we are passing address of object to the function. This is considered as the pass by reference. Yes, here it directly goes to the multi-member function and R1 and R2 object reference means address is considered using the class RUP. Then it calculates the N1 and N2 value. See here, the first statement is N1 is equal to R1 dot N1. R1 dot N1, here we are using the first object reference, that is address. Then the first object reference value is 10, N1 value is 10 into. Again using the first object reference, N2 value is 20. Then it calculates 10 into 20 is 200 and this value is stored in the variable N1. The next statement is N2 is equal to R2 dot N1 into R2 dot N2. In this statement, here we are referencing second object address R2 dot N1. The R2 dot N1 value is 30 into the R2 dot N2. The N2 value is the second object reference value is 10. Then 30 into 10, 300. And this value is stored in the variable n2. Then it ends the multi-data member function and goes to the again main function and calls next member function, that is print, using the object R3 dot print. Another control statement connects to the print data member function where it is defined in the program or class. And in this member function we have two executable statements. One is product1 is equal to, here we are displaying n1 value, and the second one is product is equal to, and displaying the n2 value. And it executes the next statement. Product 1 is equal to n1. The n1 calculated value is 200. The next product 2 is equal to n2 calculated value is 300. Yes. Then it ends the print function and goes to the main function and returns the value back to the main function. How? It executes a program step by step, and this is a final output of this program. And here we passed two object address to the function. This is called as pass by reference. Nothing but here just we are passing address of object to the function, and the function directly works on the object reference, and any changes to the object will reflect the original value in the program. When compared to the pass by value and pass by reference, the pass by reference method is more efficient because the function works directly on original object used in function call and will reflect on the original value.